down and go to My AliExpress. And once you click that, you can, disregard this message bar. But now AliExpress actually added a drop shipping center. Okay, they added a drop shipping center into the actual navigation. And once you click that, now you're going to actually be given 3 different categories that you can get into and find winning products today. Okay, now the whole 3 different categories is hot drop shipping items, you have trusted supplier ranking, and you have product analysis. Now I will go in detail on each one of them, but this one is specifically my favorite one. Okay, now if you go into the hottest drop shipping items, what AliExpress will definitely give you is the hottest drop shipping items on the market. Okay, and you can see that these have so many orders, guys. 27,000 orders, 24,000 orders, 34,000 orders, right? And this is, catered to me. Okay, this is the, I have 3 different AliExpress accounts, but this is only showing products that I've drop shipped in the past, or different types of niches I've done in the past. So you're gonna see people, you're gonna see items that are just for you. Okay, so basically, guys, you can go into product category and find what is the best selling product for that specific category, right? And there's so many different categories, guys, and they even added some more, right? Market, home decor, hair extension. So you can go into, let's say jewelry and accessories, and you want to find the best selling product for rings, right? You can go into rings, and it's gonna take a little time to load up. Let AliExpress do its thing, you feel me? Okay, it's not loading. Let me figure out what the heck is going on. Let's go to the second page. Okay, all right, so we finally are loaded up, but this is specifically the #1 selling product in this category. Well, not necessarily the #1 selling, but it does give you the best and hottest selling items in the market right now. Okay, and they're telling you drop ship these items right now, guys. This is giving you guys the best selling product. So if you're in the jewelry section, let's go to page 1. And if you go to page 1, you can see that they're not in any specific order, but like I said, these are the hottest items on the market, right? So let's go into a different category, right? Let's go into home and gardening, and let's go into pet products, right? You go into pet products and you want to see the best things for dogs grooming, right? So now you can see the best selling products for dog grooming, and you can see multiple suppliers have the exact same product. So this glove is selling like crazy, guys. You can see that it's just majority of the page is just the glove, right? Everybody's drop shipping the hell out of this. 3,000 orders, 2,000 orders, 14,000 orders, 22,000 orders, 3,000 orders, 700 orders. So that this specific product is selling like hotcakes. So if I go to page 2, guys, you see the exact same glove. You can see other products as well. You see these scissors, you see these combs, you see these rollers. You see so many different things, right? Let's go into one more category. Let's go into mothers and kids, and let's say baby care, right? You want to see the #1 selling for diaper bags, guys. You see my exact product killing the game, right? You see the product that I was selling, okay, for my actual baby store, and it's filled up the whole freaking page. Okay, like I said, this is going to change the whole e-commerce game, guys, and this is just from one specific category. Okay, this is in the hottest drop shipping items. Like I said, you heard it here first. I'm going to give you guys the daily updates on the dropshipping community and how you guys can be successful. So make sure you subscribe if you're new, and like this video if you're liking the content already. All right, so let's go to page 3. You see the exact same bags, guys, and you can go out there and go to your niche, guys, and find the best selling product right now. No need for softwares, no need for going on Amazon, no need for obviously you want to do extra extended product research, but your source, everybody drops this from AliExpress, and if a product is killing it on AliExpress, you should be hopping on that product, right? Now another section is called the trusted supplier. Okay, so once you go into trusted supplier, basically is going to give you guys the top selling or the top suppliers for that specific category, right? So if you go into all categories and you go into mothers and kids and you go to baby shoes, right? This is the #1 supplier for baby shoes. Okay, it necessarily doesn't give you the best selling product, but it does give you great suppliers. Items as described, the communication, the shipping speed. This has a 98% rating, positive feedback. So if you're going out there and you're trying to start off a brand, right? You're trying to, figure out, if I'm trying to get into watches and I want to find the best supplier for the watches, and I want to, build out a brand, right? You can go into this specific supplier and contact them, and you can start drop shipping their items, and then you can venture out into Alibaba, right? So you have the best supplier. Like I said, this has a 96% rating. This is a top branded supplier, has been in the game for 5 years, and it's #1 in the watches niche. Okay, like I said, this won't give you the best selling products right now, but it does give you the best supplier for that specific niche. So if you go into top selling, you can import all these products onto your store because that this supplier is reliable, right? So like I said, e-commerce dropshipping, it's just got so much easy, guys. Like I said, if you're enjoying this video, please smash the like button right now. All right. A lot of people would probably disregard showing you this and probably put it in their course and keep it as a secret, but like I said, I'm trying to get you guys a success into Q4. And that's all I want you guys to be, because at the end of the year I want everybody to take a dub, right? Now the last category that we're going to talk about is the product analysis, right? The product analysis is probably my favorite one. Like I said, I like the drop shipping items too, but this one is a lot different. Okay, if you go into AliExpress, and if you haven't seen my previous videos about the winning product challenge, what we do is we click on orders and we see the daily amount of orders, right? So you can see that this product is definitely getting orders, on the 30th, right? The 29th is getting a pretty good amount, but you can't really count how many orders is getting on a daily. It's not on a graph set. So what AliExpress actually did was you can actually copy the URL and go into the input URL right here. You can paste it, and this is what AliExpress will definitely give you guys. It will give you guys a graph of how many orders it's getting on a daily, okay? The actual sales volume for that specific day, for this specific supplier, for this specific product. Okay, so you can see that this is getting about 77 orders a day, 46 orders a day. The highest it's gotten in the last, I think, I'd say the last, the last week or so, it's gotten 188 orders. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. But I've actually inputted products, with me using this, feature the last 3 days. They've actually had products that's actually gotten volumes of over 400 to 500 sales volumes a day, guys. So that product is definitely killing it, and like that's obviously somebody that's drop shipping it. Okay, like if I go into the hottest drop shipping items, right? I go into, let's go back into the baby niche, right? I know a lot of you guys have been wondering, is that product still selling? Well, let's find out, right? Let's actually find out. So we go to baby care, we go to diaper bags. Let's go to this one right here. This one has a lot of orders. Let's copy the URL. Let's actually open this into a new tab so we don't, mess up here. And then we can actually paste this URL, click the search bar, and you can see that this product is getting, it's decent amount of orders. It jumps up a lot. But like I said, this is a product that's definitely saturated. I wouldn't say it's, it's definitely still killing it, especially if you have a brand, right? With my stores, I literally get organic sales with this specific product, guys. But like I said, the volume won't be as much just because there's so many people that are advertising this specific product. 13,000 orders, 3,000 orders, right? So you can see at the end of the day, guys, you can see the daily volumes of a specific product, and you can see that this is an excellent logistics reliability. You can go into the supplier, you can go into that specific product. So this is my favorite feature out of all of them. But like I said, the hottest drop shipping items just made it so much easier, especially when it was different, just having blindly going into any category and sorted by orders. But there's no need for that no more. You can literally go into your niche and start building a brand. Now you can go into any specific category, and if you want to make an electronics store, you can go into, you know, smart electronics, right? Smart electronics is definitely the future. It's definitely, you know, something that, you know, is changing the electronics game a lot. You know, Apple has been doing it, Samsung, LG. There's a lot of different brands that are getting to the smart technology, right? And you can start building a brand around that specific product, right? Because you know that these are getting orders on a daily, right? So this is a, you know, a customization, you know, band. And you can go into the actual product analysis and import, or you can, you know, go into product analysis and import that URL, and you can see how many orders this is getting on a daily, guys. 345, 395, 284. You get the point, guys. This product is killing it, okay? As for the logistics reliability, this means that you know, it doesn't necessarily means that, you know, it's a good product to drop ship. It just means that, you know, is the shipping for the specific supplier reliable, right? That's what logistics is. It's, you know, the shipping and, you know, just everything and you know, combine about this product and supplier. It will give you a score of excellent, poor, or average. Okay. You know, you want to go for those excellent scores. Like I said, you want somebody that's reliable, but this supplier is definitely handling high volume orders. Okay. So you know that this is killing it, guys. So these specific 3 categories will definitely change the whole drop shipping game forever. And a lot of people are making these dropshipping videos about, is dropshipping dying, is this, that. They're just trying to scare you guys. Like, guys, dropshipping is not dying, okay? It's been in the game forever, and you know, it's just changing. You just have to evolve. And now, you know, AliExpress notices that people are dropshipping on this platform, so now they actually added a dropshipping center for you guys so that it can make it a lot more easier for you guys, right? Like I said, guys, AliExpress is here to stay. They're here to evolve. You know, a lot of people have been talking about the Donald Trump issues and all of that. Like, they wouldn't add this feature, you know, if dropshipping was dying. If Donald Trump was really making a huge impact, he's definitely making a huge impact, but I think it's a positive one. Like I said, I'll probably make a future video about that in the future, but this is specifically focused on these 3 categories, guys. So like I said, you can go into the new, you know, make an account on AliExpress or sign in. You know, you can go to the dropshipping center. I think everybody does have access to this. And, you know, once you start making orders and, you know, you start doing all that, you're going to see some stats in the, you know, the sourcing history and all of that. But like I said, this is going to change the game, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Like I said, I'm dropping knowledge bombs and daily content on a daily. So, you know, you want to hit that notification bell because you're going to be hearing the first news, the breaking news here first. And, you know, I'm going to, you know, try to help you guys be successful in Q4. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, check out my previous videos about the winning product challenge. I do have some good winning products that I've been, you know, researching that you guys might want to hop on. Like I said, Christmas has started. The Christmas trend has started and you might want to hop on. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes, watching all this time